Hello to the BigRep resellers and partners. My name is Frank Marangel. I'm the Chief Business Officer for BigRep. We are in challenging times, and during these times of Corona, BigRep wants to do its part to help out the society. And we have designed a face shield that we want to print, and we are printing in our offices, and we want to share with you the ability to provide those solutions to your local hospitals and cities that are in need of these parts. BigRep will provide you with a spool of material to help you out. We've designed a shield that we want to share with you, and to get into the details of that, we have one of our key designers and the head of our engineering solutions, Marco Cristofori. And I'll turn it over to Marco to show you the details of the design.
Thanks, Frank. So basically what we did was, I think that's just taking inspiration from what the community did. We already saw that some of our clients are doing it, and also other 3D printing company. We took a design that is out there, we remodeled that, and we optimized it for our printers. It's a super simple object, doesn't require support. It can be printed with PLA. Multiple times, of course, can be printed in mass production sequentially, layer by layer. That's up to you guys. It works with 0.6 nozzle and 1 nozzle, 1 millimeter nozzle. So Studio G2, 1, whatever machine you have, even Pro, you can print it. The design, again, it's very simple. We just have a little branding on it. This is PLA. You can also print it if you prefer with PTG, but PLA is probably the right material to print it. Doesn't matter the color. It's for the function in this case. And this one also we saw from some of our customers. We're doing it that you can have the band then to hold it. You can buy some bands, some elastics, but you can also print it. We will share the STL, but it's a super simple G code or basically a grid that is printed in TPU, right? And it's super flexible and you can adapt it. It prints super fast. Literally, we print like a bunch of them right on the BigRep one bed. You can fill the whole bed in having it in like 6 hours or something like that, and then you can cut them on the length that you want. So it's super easy also to manufacture and assemble the things together. The only thing then that you will need to provide by yourself are these PVC, I guess they are foil. They're antibacterial foil that you can find, I guess, everywhere. We just ordered on Amazon. We can send a link. I'm not sure it will work worldwide. Maybe this one is just for Germany itself, but you can use it to as a base to then find the one you need more. They're laminated. So you will need a laminating machine. The process is super quick, and the distance between the dots, of course, is the same always. And we use the normal clipping machine to make some holes, and we use as a reference the splitting by 4 an A4 paper. Again, it's super easy to print them. Batch production, it's amazing, and would be really cool to see the whole community like joining in this, like joining forces and have like a video or simple pictures. We can see that the wall is moving and trying to support. This considered that can be used by everyone. I guess if you find hospital, go ahead. But mostly we are sharing it a lot with NGO, even with grocery, with shops, with sometimes private or elder people. Everybody can use it, right? So, it's better than nothing for sure. It works, it supports, and in this period of time makes a lot.
Yeah, so find out who in your community needs this type of shield, help to provide them, record it, and we'll pull all those recordings together and make a BigRep global video of our support. Thank you very much, and give us a call if we can help you out in this regard, and let's do it together.